Hello, this is Northeast Georgia Mountain Folk. I'm Fred.
Connie.
And today we are at Hawk Creek Park in South Forsyth. Let's go explore all this park has to offer and see what we can do. Rooms, a pavilion where you can have picnic or birthday parties, and this is a dog-friendly park, and you need to just make sure your dog is on a leash at all times and pick up after it. There are multiple trails on here and other activities for the kids. Yeah, there's. Oh, is that for skateboarders and bikes? Oh, that's for bikes. So it's like a motocross bike track. Playground with swings there for the kids. Basically, their definition of a BMX type track. It's a bike skills and pump track. You can do all sorts of things on here with your BMX bike. The kids are having fun down there. Here we have the story walk. You can follow along and go through all the 16 pages. Duck on a bike. One of the books. Number 1. And waddle like a duck. What? Area. As you can see, it just steps you through and has fun things for the kids to do. here, depending on the day of the week it is, it tells you which way you need to go. So if it's Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, walkers go to the left, bikers go to the right. It's Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, it is just the opposite. Bikers go left, walkers go right. Since today is Saturday, we're going to go right. Bikers come through, they can see you coming versus, so you can step aside from the bikes while they come through.